Guys, did spring come today? I think so. 14 degrees, sunny.
A sport bike in the park.
I'm definitely getting used to this bike now. I got so many things planned for this bike for this summer. Oh yeah! I mean, of course it really starts to pull around 11k RPM, you know? That's where it comes alive. Not so much traffic today, I feel like. The only thing with this bike is that of course you have to really be in the right gear at all times to be able to have fun, you know? So now it's like 100 and I really have to be in second, or even in first. And even, it's like in second gear, 100, there's a little bit of lack of power. I sort of already want to stop here somewhere and sort of eat an ice cream.
I mean, we do have some new ones this year.
Guys, it's so nice to see some green colors again, some Swedish summer landscapes. Finally, some water, some people, some bikers. Okay, now here's the ferry. I've only been on a ferry once before. Where should I go? Where should I go? Nice, nice. Okay, that's smooth. Now we are on Tinninge, small island outside of Stockholm. I think maybe I'll ask ChatGPT. Also embarrassing to ask ChatGPT about my own country. How do I get with the ferry from... The Swedish archipelago is really nice during summer, and there are many people who live out here full time the whole year. Not everyone, some people also have summer houses. It's quite common, and it depends on how far you are from the city, you know. But in general, it's quite nice. It's like a tower and stuff. Well, at least we can take a nice photo here before we leave. I do feel like it's time for me to explore my own country a bit more. You know, it's always it's always going to other places. But now when I have the bike, yeah, I feel like it's a good opportunity to just find out new things about my own country, explore, and yeah, have a good time. So we're going across this island, just like 10 minutes probably to the other side. Then there's another ferry, and then we're in Vaxholm, which is the final destination for today. What is this place? Are people just living here? This is like a super weird and cool place to live. I can see Vaxholm over there and the ferries. What a huge detour. Basically from that place where I couldn't take the boat, it's somewhere over there. Hey, here we go. Next departure is in 5 minutes. Perfect. Seeing the sun shine like that on the water in the distance, that's one of the things in my life that just makes me so happy. Hey boys, nice to see you. Nice to see you boys. Nice bikes boys. Okay, time for the next ferry. That's Vaxholms Kastell. It's an old fortress that I think was used as an outer defense perimeter for Stockholm, basically, the Stockholm Archipelago. Of course it's not used anymore. But I think you can see there are some cannons over there. Yeah, I wonder if I'm still going to be riding a sport bike when I'm 40, 50. I mean, I'm not sure. I think it requires a certain amount of athleticism to be on this kind of bike. But yeah, who knows, maybe in a few years I'll get something more comfortable, but it's fun to have this period right now with with the whole sport bike thing. There are guided tours you can take to go there, but I've actually never been inside. But I've been to Vaxholm many times. Okay, final stop, Vaxholm. This is really a cute little town, as you're gonna see. Cute Swedish vacation spot, summer spot in a nutshell. It has like one store to buy food, a few ice cream places, just the essentials. Everything's expensive here. Smells like food. One bike today. That's a bit disappointing. Well, I guess the season hasn't really started yet, you know. Well, guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. Let's go eat something. The seagulls here are usually quite aggressive. They will steal your food. And there's a nice Honda Transalp. Guys, that's today's video. Thanks for hanging out. This was sort of a more chill video. You know, I hope you like the scenery and the ride and all that stuff. Guys, thanks for supporting the channel as usual. I will see y'all in the next one. If there's anything from Sweden that you would like to see on this channel, just send me a message, you know. Take care, guys. Peace out.